let's talk about, why is Maya even here? Why does all of this need to exist? Why do we need to forget ourselves? Right? What is the big philosophy behind this? Now, this is where I would like to become super metaphysical with you guys. And I want you to think of this idea. What path we're on is the path of pursuing oneness, finding all the answers within you, becoming one, becoming enlightened, nirvana, moksha, whatever you call it. That's all beautiful. But what would happen if everybody, all at once, were to become enlightened? What if everybody just suddenly remembered who they were? It would be a lot of oneness. It would just be oneness. But in order to have that oneness, you would need something that's not one to say that is one. You would need duality. There can be no oneness without duality. So without the Maya, without the illusion, there can't be a soul. There's nothing to experience. So this illusion that we're living in, this Maya, is what gives life. It's the very thing that's giving life meaning.